we're aware of the ultraviolet rays that the sun emits, but wearing sunscreen does not mean you are allowed to stay out in the sun for long, unless in situations where you have no choice than to stay out in the sun for long. But even at that, it is usually advisable to reapply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. That aside, some persons think that sunscreens are meant to be applied on the face alone. That is not true. Sunscreens are meant to be applied not just on your face alone, but also on other parts of the body that's often exposed to the sun. And though the application of sunscreen at home isn't mandatory, you can't rule out the fact that it is necessary. And when looking out for sunscreen, please choose the ones with sun protection factor of 30 and above. Not only should it be tested by a dermatologist, but it should also be paraben and silicone free. Those are my suggestions, and a gentle reminder for you to apply your sunscreen every day 20 to 30 minutes before sun exposure. In the meantime, click on the video suggestion on your screen right here, and I'll see you in this video right now.